The movie Lal Patthar is an excellent movie. It's an old movie, so let me uh, highlight the story. Let me give you the review. It's Rajkumar who marries Hema Malini, and Hema Malini was just a courtesan, and he brought her home because she was mistreated, ill-treated by a few of her relatives. That is the reason he brought her to his palace, and he fell in love with her and eventually got married. They were having a good life, but she was uneducated, so he tried to even teach her. He even tried to actually make her classy, or whatever, etiquette and all, manners, everything he taught. He tried to teach her. And what happened down the line, he meets another woman, Rakhi, who was performing on the stage, and he fell in love with her. And since she was from a poor background, kind of destitute only, she performed for the family because her dad was totally hopeless, drunkard. Her mom was bedridden, so she had to sustain the family. That is the reason she performed on stage. And Vinod Mehra was the guy whom her mother wanted her to marry, but he had gone abroad for higher studies. After 3 years he returned, but by that time, because of financial crunch, she was forced to marry Rajkumar, and she was like 20 years younger to him. And then the real battle started, because Shekhar, when Vinod Mehra returned from abroad, they had a friendship, and he started suspecting, and she was putting oil, putting, you can clarified butter in fire, Hema Malini, because she was jealous of him visiting Rakhi. Two wives in the same house, in the same palace, it may be difficult if you are not actually very much wise. So the same thing happened with Hema Malini. She started feeling insecure, and then she started poisoning his ears that they are going around, and it reached such a gargantuan proportion that he was forced to kill Rakhi. They had gone to Fatehpur Sikri on the pretext of showing the place, but his intention was to just put an end to her life, because he thought that she doesn't love him and she is going around with Vinod Mehra, which was absolutely wrong. And what happens? She dies, and in order to save his life, after that he actually felt regret, because she told him her intention. She wanted to be the mother of his child, and then she passed away. He was so full with remorse that he wanted to kill himself. Then Vinod Mehra came in the forefront, and he got killed. So both of them died within the confines fort of Fatehpur Sikri, and he lost his mental balance. He became insane. So he was also, because prisoners usually, when they are insane, they are not locked up, they are not imprisoned. So she was, and then Hema Malini used to come to her and used to take him back, because every moonlight he used to come and clean the blood soiled ground. He had a mental problem. He used to think that that particular day Rakhi died and he is responsible, so he has to clean the blood. And then Hema Malini used to come and take him away. So bottom line, misunderstandings can ruin a family. Before you start suspecting, make clear, be clear of your thoughts. This movie will teach you a very strong lesson. 5 stars.